students, I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, volume. The volume of a solid is the amount of space enclosed by it or the amount of space it takes up. The space covered by a 1 centimeter square is used as a unit for measuring area. It is derived from the unit of length, that is a centimeter. Okay. See, 1 centimeter is the length, area is 1 centimeter square and volume is 1 centimeter cube. Okay. Similarly, the amount of a space enclosed by a 1 centimeter cube, a cube whose each edge is 1 centimeter, is used as a unit for measuring volume. It is derived from unit of length, that is a centimeter. The other units used for measuring volume are cubic millimeter and cubic meter. Okay. The units used for measuring volume depends on the size of the solid being measured. We say that 1 centimeter cube is a unit cube and had a volume of 1 cubic centimeter. We also write it as 1 centimeter cube like this. To measure the volume of a solid region, we find out the number of unit cubes that make up the solid or fill the solid. Example 1. Find the volume of these solids by counting the number of cubes in each solid. The volume of each small cube is 1 centimeter cube. Okay. So, there are 4 cubes in the solid. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the volume is 4 centimeter cube. Now, in B part, there are 8 cubes in first layer. Okay. Then in second layer, there are 8 cubes. Then third layer also, there are 8 cubes, and fourth layer there are also 8 cubes, right? So, the volume is, we will add all of them, 32 centimeter cube. Okay. Remember to count the hidden cubes. Okay. We can also say that there are 4 layers of cubes and each layer consists of 8 cubes. So, volume is equals to number of layers into number of cubes in each layer. See, there are 4 layers and in each layer there are 8 cubes. So, 4 into 8 is equals to 30 centimeter cube. Okay. And number C, horizontal rows. Okay. Horizontal rows, there are 3 cubes. Vertical rows, there are 2 cubes. Okay. And volume is equals to 3 centimeter cube plus 2 centimeter cube. Okay. And you will say, why didn't we add this? Actually vertical, you will say horizontal 1, 2, 3, vertical 1, 2, 3. No, this cube is common. Okay, so we will not count the common cubes again, right? Now, volume of a cuboid, you know that a cuboid is a rectangular solid. The following have the shape of a cuboid. Matchbox, be it a biscuit packet, be it a pencil box, all are in cuboidal in shape, right? You can find the volume of one cuboid by finding how many centimeter cubes can be placed in it. Study the following examples. See how a cuboid is built from 1 centimeter cubes and how we find its volume. Okay. See, 4 units per row. Okay. And here 4 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. So, 4 into 3 is equals to units per layer into breadth. Okay. And here length into breadth into height, okay, is equals to volume. So, length is 4, breadth is 3 and height is 3. So, the 36 centimeter cube is the volume. The following cuboids are built of 1 centimeter cubes. Complete the table given below using these cuboids as shown. So, what will you do here? See, length is given, breadth is given, height is given and number of 1 centimeter cube. Volume is, what is volume? Formula of volume is length into breadth into height. Okay, by this formula we can find out the volume. Okay. Now, from the table you can conclude that volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. If all the edges of a cuboid are equal, then it is called a cube. So, volume of a cube, okay, this is volume of cuboid and volume of cube is what? Side into side into side, because all the sides are equal. Okay, all the edges are equal. So, side cube. Okay. Example, find the volume of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are given. Okay, length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. So the volume is length into breadth into height. 15 into 12 into 8 and cubic centimeter. Okay. So when you will multiply, you will get this answer. Centimeter. You can write this cubic centimeter or centimeter cube, right? Example 2, find the volume of a cube whose one edge measures a 3 centimeter. Okay, here you have to find the volume of cube, so you will apply this formula, volume of each cube, side into side into side. So you will multiply three times, okay. Let's do exercise 13.1. Find the volume of each solid and write the unit with your answer. Say student, in all the figures you have given length, breadth and height. Okay, length, breadth and height are given, and you know volume is length into breadth into height. Okay, so you will multiply all these three and you will also write the unit. If there is centimeter, then cubic centimeter. Okay. Capacity. The volume is the amount of space a solid takes up or encloses. Example, the amount of space in a swimming pool in meter cube. The capacity is the amount of fluid that a given solid can hold. This is the capacity of the swimming pool is the amount of water needed to fill the swimming pool. The capacity of a gas cylinder is the amount of gas it can hold. The capacity of the fuel tank in a vehicle is the amount of petrol or diesel needed to fill it full. Standard unit of capacity is liter. You know that already. Liquids are often measured in liters or milliliter. 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml is equals to 1000 centimeter cube, and 1 milliliter is equals to 1 centimeter cube. This conversion holds true only for water. For other liquids, you will learn the conversion in higher classes. Okay. Remember, 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 milliliter and 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter. And 1 meter cube is equals to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Okay. So, 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter upon 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter, because 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube, right? Example, a rectangular tank measures 2 meter by 3 meter by 4 meter and is full of water. What is its capacity in liters? Okay, so volume of tank. First you have a 3 meter. Volume is length, breadth into breadth into height. You have 2 meter. 2 meter is 200 centimeter. Okay, breadth is 3 meter. So we'll convert it into centimeter, 300 centimeter, and height is 4 meter, and we'll convert it into centimeter. Okay, now we will multiply. 2 3s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. Now count how many zeros are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and you have to find the capacity in liters. So what will you do? You know that 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So you will divide it by 1000. 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 24,000 liter is the capacity, right? Example 2, a machine for making ice is freezing 5.76 liters of water into ice bricks measuring 4 centimeter by 3 centimeter by 2 centimeter. How many bricks will be made? So what will you do? First, volume of ice brick is 4 into 3 into 2 is equals to 24 centimeter cube. Volume of water we know. Okay, volume of water is 5.76 liter, and we'll convert it into cubic centimeter. So 5.76 into 1000. So 5760 centimeter cube. Now number of bricks made, you will divide this by 24. So what will you get answer? You will get 240. So number of bricks made is 240, right? Similarly, you will do example 3 also. Let's do exercise 13.2. Write in cubic centimeters 875 ml. You know 1 ml is equals to 1 centimeter cube. Then 875 ml will be 875 meter cubic centimeter. Right, students? Now you will do practice of the remaining questions.